Technological intervention for rural development. Employability of Indian rural youth and rural development basically requires youth education and training with the changing market trends. We all know, in the recent past, India has witnessed and produced software engineers to the growing demand in India and overseas. Now the time has come to explore the opportunity to educate, train and empower rural youth in emerging technologies, especially drone technology. Drones are no longer military aircrafts. They are used in many fields, including precision agriculture. Technological intervention in Indian agriculture has many challenges. Firstly, technology needs to be affordable, fair in pricing, reliable, efficient and beneficial to farmers. In this regard, we at Multiplex Group of Companies offer the best of the drone technology at affordable cost to Indian farmers, which have proven its efficacy to 100% more than conventional farming methods. And needless to say, it is eco-friendly. Use of drones will fight climate change by substantially reducing carbon emissions unlike any other equipment run in agriculture. Today we have been using drone technology to improve the food production and to meet the needs of the growing population. Drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle, is used in farming, mostly to survey pest disease incidences and to spray inputs uniformly onto the crops. Spraying via drones saves 30 to 40% of inputs, 80 to 85% of water and 90% of time than conventional spraying methods. It also ensures accurate spraying on the entire crop. Being a concept company serving the farming community in India and overseas for the past 48 years now, Multiplex Group adopted drone technology in Indian agriculture. We train pilots, we offer spraying services, and we ensure human resource development in rural areas, leading to empowerment of youth. We have already trained hundreds of pilots in the multi-rotor drone pilot course with an agri-input using scientific information and fully prepared to reach out to every part of India. Rural youth can avail our training, which leads to employability. The Government of India can make use of the drone technology training to attract rural youth in agriculture and to double the farm income. Drone technology can bring back the glory in agriculture and sustain the base of the rural economy. It's a smart way to retain youth in villages for the prosperity of the nation. Technology for better tomorrow.